going to Abu Dhabi. Let us go Abu Dhabi with me, okay? So yeah, welcome back to another vlog. We're going to Abu Dhabi. I'll talk to you in the car. So how come I'll talk to you in the car? Let me tell you right now that we're going to Abu Dhabi. Yeah, let us go to Abu Dhabi. Yeah. So I'll take you on a road trip. Mr. was going for a workshop, so I was like, let me go with him. I'm doing nothing home and have like a road trip. So yeah, let us go. Yet in Abu Dhabi, but I think I don't know how much. Let me see here. So far we have traveled like 79 kilometers, so we still have a long way to go, but we dropped here to get some water. Yeah, so there is nothing much I can show you unless showing you the road. So I'll show you when we reach, or in the middle, or when there is something meaningful. Yeah, that is the word, meaningful. Yeah, I'll be showing you, like I'll be captioning everything in the video. Like I saw the border between Dubai and Abu Dhabi, so I'll caption it somewhere. I didn't talk in that, but I recorded that part where the border between Dubai and Abu Dhabi. So yeah, right now he went to buy some water and some drinks. Yeah, good enough. I had cooked some food, so we're not buying anything. I packed my food very well. So yeah, before we go to the workshop, we shall eat something, and yeah, we shall be going for workshop related work thing. Yeah, so let us go. Let me put my music back. I have some music which is making the trip somehow. What a take it apart. I don't know why my lighting is not good, but yeah, we have reached where we are going. He is going to check on the workshop. So I'm just ranging here around. I think this is an hotel, very big, very beautiful. So let me wait and see. What is this? Otherwise I'll try the brown one. Melting. So I'm just seated here in the cafe. Yeah, taking like some coffee. And yeah, waiting as I'm waiting for him to finish. But this coffee was so expensive, huh? Yeah. This cup 27 dirham. It's expensive. Then this just the cooking. It's pitch check. So I'm doing my my leather jacket, my sweater shirt inside, then these extra large pants, and my Puma sneakers, plus my veil and my Rolex watch. Yeah. Chi chi chi. So I have, my phone is now working. Yeah, my phone is now working. You can see behind, yeah, behind those yeah, people taking like bites. That is where the workshop is. Yeah, so I'm from the washroom to ease myself, and yeah, the place looks so nice where the workshop is. So yeah, I don't know what time it will be finishing, but yeah, we're still here, and I'm just taking like a walk outside. Yeah, that is that, but it's becoming dark, so it's around 5. Okay. Yeah, that is that. I don't know if I should I don't know, no, let me know if I should. I'll show you everything, anything or anywhere around. I'll be with you. So this is so beautiful. Yeah, this place is nice. Very, very beautiful, guys. Yeah. Oh, so guys, look at my new green carpet. Yeah, I saw this green carpet. We wanted to throw this when we arranged it last time, like a few months back when we sent the things home. So I wanted to waste this carpet, but I was like, I told Mr. No, don't waste it. Now last time I was looking for something, then I saw it. Then I was like, let me put it here. Guys, if you don't know something about Dubai is so dusty. So dusty, extremely dusty, like Africa, same like where I'm coming from. So yeah, I hate it. I hate the fact that I always have to sweep this area, or I have to mop it every time I want to like lounge here. So at least it is not full like the old balcony, but at least this is where the table and the chair is. Yeah, so at least I have, and this is where we sit always. So no need to be cleaning every time. And this winter thing is not forever, it's for months. So yeah, but guys, look at my greens. Everything is so grown. I got this is new. Yeah, I got this like 2 weeks back. Same like here. Yeah, instead of getting something here, so I got these two. Yeah, they are looking so beautiful. And yeah, this is all I have. I have some on my other side, but this area looks so green. It is so nice. You can see the way it is looking. Now let us put the tables back and we see how everything is going to come out, guys. Wow. All I can say is wow, guys, look at this. This is the results. This is so nice. Yeah, this is so good. I don't know if the dust will be coming here, but nevertheless, at least my legs, guys, this is so wowing. Yo, so the green feel of everything will bring everything out. Okay, I wish I can have, like, it is stopping here. I wish I can feel the old press, but it's okay. Yeah, this is for only months. I will not go and buy another one. Yeah, only months, because even these days it is so cold that sometimes you're not going to sit here. So yeah, this is what we have. Rate my arrangement out of 100, guys. But for me, I know, guys, I think you can see that dust here. I have even clean some. If you spend like 2 days without sitting here, you see the dust will be, I was from dusting, that's why even there is less, but it was too much. Let me show you from here. You see here? Yeah, you can see from here. Yeah, this is what the dust, this is what I mean. So yeah, but what to do, let me show you my other beans, some beans and some onion. I'm planning to grow some how do you call it, some garlic. Yeah, garlic, same like this. Yeah, I want like this. So but this is this one I'm using it as a decor, not for consumption. Yeah, it looks good when you go outside and you're looking this area, it looks so good. So yeah, I have some here. Yeah, this other side is dusty, so I'm going to broom it. But yeah, these are also my plants, and yeah, that is all I have. But everything looks so nice. Yeah, because it is winter. If it is very hotter, everything will be dying. Yeah guys, this is what I managed to do. It's becoming darker. I was like, let me come and be here. Yeah, let me come and launch here for some good hours. Yeah, and today it's not that so cold, so I have colored my my blanket, my other phone. I'll be watching some film. Then I have my green tea, then I have my candle. It's not yet so dark, so I'm planning to switch off for now. Once it becomes dark, I'll be using my candle. Okay, so I'll be sitting here. Yeah. It is happening, guys. It is dark already. This is what I wanted to show you. Yeah, it is dark, and I don't know if you can see my face, but if you can, alhamdulillah. If you can't, it is also becoming so cold. But yeah, I'm still here for some hours as I'm taking my tea. Good enough, it is still hot. I've taken a sip of everything. But yeah, it is so beautiful. Yeah, it's always beautiful being outside. Yeah. So this is what I have done for this winter, because I wasn't that busy. Yeah, for the past years I have been so busy, hell busy in Dubai. I didn't even have time for myself. But this is the kind of if you ask me, this is the kind of life I want to be romanticizing. I want to love myself like this. Yeah, I can't do like such things for myself without like waiting for anyone. So that is the kind of person I want. So 2024 yeah, and 2025, that's what I'm focusing on. Me more. Yeah, so yeah, sitting here, and yeah guys, stop my preaching, let me enjoy my moment, guys. I'll talk to you around. Okay, I'll see you around. Okay, see you.